Hi! With this video, you're going to learn how to make citations with two authors in an easy way, and we are going to do it with the updated version of the APA style, 7th edition. First of all, remember that the sources consulted in a document are mentioned in two moments. First, quotations go in the body of the document, and bibliographic references go at the end of the document. If that source is a single document with two authors, then both of them must be mentioned in both places. For example, in a short quote, I would say something like, regarding this topic, Dean and Lambton, 2022 suggest that. Note that the year goes after the last name of the authors in parentheses. The quotation marks are used to demarcate and enclose the copied text, and the lowercase p followed by a period is used to denote the page number. On the other hand, the reference should go at the very end of the document and would be something like this. The order of the authors is exactly the one that appears in the document that you consulted. The last name of each author is mentioned, followed by the initials of the names. The year goes in parentheses. In this case, it is a book, so we put the title in italics, period, and at the end, the publisher's name. Let's see another example. This is a paraphrased quote. In this case, the author's last names are at the end, followed by the year of publication in parentheses. For the reference, the first author's last name go first, followed by the initials of his names. Then we put the second author's last name and the initials of his names. Afterwards, the year in parentheses, the title of the book in italics, and the publisher. Now, keep in mind that there are three types of quotations according to the APA standards. The short text that is in quotes, like the one I mentioned first, the long text that is indented but doesn't have quotation marks, and the paraphrase like the second example, which has neither indentation nor quotation marks. Also, keep in mind that the reference format depends on the type of document. I gave you the example of the book format, but remember there are other types of documents such as web pages, movies, articles, and a grade, etc. And that's all, so remember, research is easy.